YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy C-Time here, guy.
One, two, three, four.
Yo, so Merry Christmas. That's all. I want to start off. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. I hope everybody enjoyed it and got everything they wished for or asked for Christmas. Hope your families are safe and healthy. Um, Today I'm just going to do a little quick braid out. It's been requested a few times, so I'm just gonna finally do a little braid out video for y'all. The reason I'm doing it is because I got to take my hair out. I got to put some oil throughout my hair and then rebraid it. So I'm gonna just do a braid out. I won't show you the part where I do the oil and the rebraid because, like I said in my last video, I'm still learning how to braid my hair and at least get it to where it looks pretty good. I don't want to show y'all me braiding my hair, man. It's I get frustrated doing it still, and until I get like pretty good at it, I won't do like a braid video until I get good at it. So let me work on that a little bit, and then from there we'll go ahead and do a braid video. But until then, I'll show y'all a little braid out real quick with my hair. Yeah, let's get started, man. So I still have the two braids that I did from my last video. Same ones. I didn't do a lineup yet because I figured I wanted to do the braids over again and then I'll do a lineup. I want to learn how to fade instead of just doing like a one and a half all the way around. I want to learn how to fade it. So I'm gonna try to do like some low fades and then get good at the fades and then work my way from there. But videos coming in the future. Like I said, I don't want to show y'all me messing up. I'll probably record it that way I can put it in my videos and I can show y'all all the bloopers or whatever, all the same times I messed up. And I know I'm going to mess up because that's all part of learning, and getting good at something is messing up. So I want to save all that and actually get good at it and do a real video. So I'm just gonna pull out these rubber bands I got in the end of my hair. This rubber band is long. There we go. Next thing I'm gonna do is rub some oil on my hair and my fingers. This is not the oil. This is the oil I'm gonna use. I used to use this a lot. It's a hair growth oil. It's got like rosemary and a bunch of herbs in it. It comes like this in a bottle. I didn't do all the herbs. It comes like that when you buy it. I'm just gonna use it to take my hair out, so I got a lot of slip when I go to pull my hair out, and my hands aren't dry, you know. So I'll just put it on my braids. I'm just gonna do a nice little. This thing still got a piece of rubber band in it. All right, and then my hands. I'm gonna get my hands nice and lubed up, and we'll go ahead and start pulling the hair out. I did bring a rat tail comb just in case I need it, but it looks like it'll come right out. I'm gonna try to repart my hair too, so it's a good thing I'm taking both sides out. try to detangle while I'm doing this, like finger detangle. I'm really not gonna try to do too much to it. When I go to rebraid it, I will try to use some more of that edge gel. I tried it the other way, the first way I learned how to braid, and it was kind of messing up. I haven't tried it the second way, because the second way is a lot easier, and I feel like with the edge gel, it'll look a lot better. And I think it'll be easier with the edge gel. It was harder with that edge gel in my hair because it kept all my hair kept sticking together, and I couldn't actually get my fingers through it to braid. And when they tell you to braid, when they say braiding, you gotta have your hair really detangled, and it kept like sticking together and tangling up. It was hard to run my fingers through it. So, all right, that's one. That's one side. All right, that's one side. I can do a little lamp check. It goes like under my chin now, so. Alright. There's one. I'm actually gonna put it up because no, it'd be alright. Cause I gotta repart my hair anyway, so. That's one side. And then the other side. Kind of excited about rebraiding it because I wanna keep practicing to get good at it. And it's a whole new level of hair journey when you figure out how to braid your own hair, because you save money, you save time. If you got something coming up and you really need your hair braided, you don't want your hair to be a mess. 2 braids is always a way to go. 2 braids is always like a go-to style when you got long hair and you don't want to wear your afro out. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind wearing my hair like this, but I wear a hard hat, so I don't want to wear my hair out when I got a hard hat on. And I'd rather wear a protective style, because pulling that hard hat on and off, it rips your hair out. So I'd rather put it in a protective style, cover it up, and then go from there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here's the second side. My hair is thick, so I'm trying to finger detangle it. Oh, I got it out. Alright, you got a braid out, man. 2 braids, braid out. I'm going to go ahead and oil my hair up. The oil I've been using, which I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all probably are using it too, but I just switched to it. They say there's a bunch of phonies out with this kind of oil, but I got it off Amazon. I don't know if I could trust it or not. It came with 2 bottles. It came with a light version and a regular version. So the Wild Growth hair oil, I got the light oil and I got the regular one. So they both came in the same pack. It was like a 2-pack. So I don't know. They say that there's some phonies out there. But that's what I'm going to be oiling my scalp with. Here's my hair. This side it goes under my chin. So you got your braid out. You know what I'm saying? Keep throwing. Keep going. God bless. Peace.